All right, guys. Today we're gonna react. We're gonna be reacting to road rage. So let's get into it.
This video was made with the best videos uploaded on this channel.
This is the first time we've done this, by the way, everyone. This is, people watching on YouTube. This is the first time we've done this.
Gentlemen, welcome aboard this Animals radio message. Craving an unforgettable destination where culture, architecture, romance, and sweet alcohol all meet.
I just turned on the side of the street. This person turned and passed me extremely close by. I mean, not really. Like, I don't know, Chad. What do you think? What do you think here? I personally don't find this a big deal. Like, I wouldn't pass him if it wasn't me. But like, yeah, it's like they both suck kind of situation. I don't really think this guy should have passed him, but at the same time, it's like really not that big of a deal. Hard to tell from a camera angle. I mean, let's be honest. They're near a park. They look like they're in a suburban area. There's probably an old man behind the wheel. And anytime he sees a motorcycle, I don't think that bike is road legal. That is another thing. Yeah, actually true. Wait, actually you're cooking there. Yeah, that bike isn't street legal. Good point. There's no brake lights, no turn signals. Nothing. Good point. Well played. Well played.
Ladies and gentlemen.
So never mind. I take everything back. This guy's an asshole. I mean, honestly, it's pretty obvious to say he's an asshole by the fact that he's not wearing a helmet or any gear whatsoever. Normally, I deem everyone who doesn't wear a helmet and drives a motorcycle an idiot.
Some dick.
Thank you, Lin Sean, for the tier 1 sub. Like after having a motorcycle for a while, so many people don't wear them. And it is loser attitude right there.
Aboard this Animals radio message. Craving an unforgettable destination where culture, architecture, romance, and sweet alcohol all meet. France, Paris, and all its delights have never been closer. From May 23rd, make
Found a police report. They said the same individual has been harassing other drivers. Ah. There it is. All right, I take everything back. I take everything back. At first, it didn't look like it was a big deal him passing it, but after, yeah, all right. All the details came into place there.
Sky Harbor International Airport.
Dirt bike, bro, yeah. But what is this? Is this like a crib? Thank you, Snippy. Is this a crib or something? Can't go back on your word, pig? That is true. That is true. Once I say something, I'm not allowed to go back on it.
Make it boom.
Thank you, Cuddle Fjord. Only sub I haven't canceled yet because of being poor? Thanks. You don't have to sub, you know. I never push you guys to sub to me. I mean, let's be real. I'm very, very humble about it. What is happening here? Okay, I am... Crazy old man was driving aggressive, trying to overtake the lane I was obviously in. Thank you so much, Min on the game for the 2 gifted. So you're going fast, and then truck speeds up and tries to overtake. Like, why even challenge him? This guy's obviously either drunk or a complete idiot. Just don't even challenge him.
Check your pinkies. I've stolen them.
No, you didn't. Like, you know what I mean? Just let him go. It's like one of those situations where, like, just let the idiot merge. Let the idiot cut you off. It's better than getting in a car accident and potentially killing people. So, like this. Like, what is the point of this? You're not only putting yourself in danger, but you're putting the car to the right of this guy in danger as well. Like, why? Why fight the guy? Just let him be an idiot. That's all you got to do. Just let him be an idiot. Now look, now you got in a car accident, or sorry, truck accident. Now you're going to have to pull over, file a police report, talk to the guy. Like, why? Just fucking now you wasted hours of your day just for this shit. Not gonna lie, these streams are teaching how to be a better driver. Dude, it does work though. Watching car accidents, motorcycle accidents, any vehicle accidents whatsoever makes you a better driver. Because you know what to look for. You know how to deal with idiots. He ends up performing a pit maneuver on himself, and no, he didn't. You were just stupid and had an ego about this guy passing you in the right lane. Like, yeah, the dude's an idiot, but it's your fault for having an ego. Contacted his insurance. Currently, the claims analysis states I could have braked a little. Yeah, so it's not only me. Even your insurance company's like, hey, bro, you could have braked a long time ago. Yo, 1,000 bits. A walk into dreams. Thank you so much for 1,000 bits. Anytime I want to do something dumb in my car, I just remember that pig would scream at me. Yeah, exactly. That's what you guys need. You need me in the back of your head constantly saying, don't do it. Don't do it. Don't be an idiot. Like, oh, thank God. Even when you're sleeping, right? When you're sleeping, you start dreaming of doing something stupid. Stop. Stop. And now I'm in your room. Now I'm watching you sleep. Now I'm recording you sleep. What? I shouldn't be laughing. But like, bro literally just said, you know what? I'm going to kill this guy. I'm just going to straight up murder this guy. I'm so upset. I'm just going to kill him. Like, wow. This is an average day in Florida. Just some bruised egos and trucks. That's surprising. I guess he did roll. Which rolling isn't super dangerous. If you have your seatbelt on, obviously. Trying to pass in a double lane. Just let him go. Oh, fuck. I don't get it. What is he even mad about? Is he just that upset that he's going slow? Like, the guy didn't do anything. Guy or girl, I don't know. But whoever's in the car didn't do anything. I want to hear what he's saying. Forces vehicle to stop and threatens driver with a knife. Is that what he had? Oh my God. Going slow, better shoot them.
Without
Thank you,
further
Audie.
interruption, let's celebrate and suck some dick.
He didn't want to merge behind me and said force his way in front of me. Oh, you gotta love those people. And let me... Wait.
You just... Are you kidding me? Are you...
What's even the point? Why? Why? What's the point? Like, I don't even understand what these egos are about. Because they're doing this for ego. They're doing like, you can't pass me. I'm going to get you around you on the right side. Like, for what? What does it prove? What do you get out of it? I don't understand.
Kidding me? Are you shitting me, you mother...
Sometimes people take being passed as a personal insult for some reason. Yeah. The only time I get upset, well, wow. I don't know why this guy, just his face looks hilarious. But, dude, actually earlier when I was driving around with Amy, I think I told you guys about it. There was a truck on our ass the entire way. That's the only thing that pisses me off is when there's a vehicle on your ass. I don't give a shit if you're like, you know, like whatever. If you want to cut me off, like I'll get a little bit upset, but I'm like, whatever. I don't want to deal with you. But when you're on my ass, that's what really pisses me off. I'll slow down to 30 if someone's on my ass. Oh, I do it very gradually because I don't want to make it too obvious that I'm being a dick because then it might cause even more problems. So what I do is, you know, I'll probably like going 65 on a 55 or something like that, right? And then I just keep just gradually, very slow, yeah, 55, 54, 53. And then as soon as you know it, you're going at 45. Like, the closer they get to me, the slower I'm going to go.
You have no idea. You do you know how to merge? No, don't talk to me.
You tell them. Tailgating me for some time and then abusing me and brake checking illegally, stopping in the middle of the road.
Eat your vegetables.
Yo, Drone Lizard, thank you so much for the 2 gifted subs. Has anyone ever been skydiving? My mom actually went skydiving a couple days ago. She said it was fun. I wouldn't do it. I'm a bitch. Nonsensical bastard. Thank you so much for the gifted sub. I don't get it. Why are you upset with him? It wasn't his fault he was going slow. There's a fucking truck in front of him. What do you want from them? There's a truck in front of him. I get upset when people try to use the emergency lane to pass me. I used to live next to an exit that has a merge lane and a right turn. I needed to merge to the right. Wait, the lane people will blow like 30 cars back. Yeah. Dude, one time, when I was in college, I remember this dude literally passed 10 cars. Like, I don't know how, honestly, I don't even know how they survived. Because they just gunned it. And I knew who that person was. Like, I went to college with that person. They literally, because there was a huge line of cars, because there was like a truck up in front doing like 45 and a 55. There was like 10 cars. And then all of a sudden you see this car on the left lane just blow past me. Literally past 10 cars to get up there. And for what? We were almost there. People got zero patience. Got pissed at me last week when I was waiting for a pedestrian at the walk signal. She honked at me repeatedly. It was super obnoxious. Dude, we have an area in town that's like that where you have to press a button. And it's like a little like crosswalk. It's like in the middle of the road. But anyway, you have to stop for it. And oh my God, like so many people are assholes because there's one lane that'll stop, but the other lane will just keep going. And then it'll piss the people off behind the car who stopped because they have to stay stopped for the other lane because the other lane won't stop. And then everyone starts getting pissed off. Like, it's such a hazardous, dangerous area, but we have to cross it to go to the park. So annoying. All right, I missed this. I'm sorry. I'm ranting right now. All right, what happened? Just go. Like, just go. What? Just go. When is Pig not ranting? I'm yapping, all right? I'm a certified yapper. What do you want from me? I don't even understand what he's upset about. Kiss My Kitty XX. That's an interesting name. My husband and another SUV passed a slower moving tractor trailer at 70 miles an hour and a 55. Okay. That doesn't explain anything. Right before physical altercation begins? Why? That's the best part. That's the best. Why would you? What the fuck? I want to see the physical altercation. That's the best part. Finally, the audio's back. Holy shit. Guys, you think he hears him? I wonder if the guy in front of him can hear that.
You.
My plane was closed, creating idiots who squeeze at the last minute. In the split second, I was checking my blind spot on the right, 2 cars.
Dash cam, motherfucker. Your info.
I don't know. To be honest, in this situation, I think you should have just let him merge. Because it looks like that dude didn't realize that there was a thing up there until he got close. I mean, he had his blinker on. Or wait, he had his blinker on pretty early. His blinker's on. Yeah, I'm starting to side with the guy who's merging. He had his blinker on for a while. Like, yeah, honestly, yeah, I'm starting to be with the guy who merged. Yeah. Yeah, he's got plenty of space too, yeah. This guy's just being an ass. Okay.
Come on.
Who sided with who? Wait, what does it say? I was over dramatic with the horn, but as soon as he moved, he touched my front bumper.
How do you want me to go?
Yeah, because you kept going. No damage to scrape polish, exchange info, no report was filed. Like, yeah, no, sorry, camera guy's wrong. Camera guy wrong on this one. Dude, can you turn your music off? Like, oh my God, he's still blaring his fucking like the whole time. Jesus Christ. There he goes. All right, now he shuts it off. Blue Honda cut me off previously and didn't like getting honked at. Uh-oh. I don't know what he's trying to achieve there. I mean, I guess it's just a classic case of, well, let me guess, is this a Honda Accord? It's a classic case of Honda drivers, I guess. I don't know.
The left lane to turn left on Broad Street.
Random guy pulled right in front of me and got out of his vehicle. Can you fart so hard your balls explode? Yo, thank you, Malnora, for the gifted sub.
Use the left lane to turn left on Broad Street.
Yo, look at that strut, though. This guy thinks he's hot shit. Look at that walk. Look, it's more of a waddle. Bro, it's like a waddle. Just imagine the Squidward footstep sound when he does it. That's what it looks like. Proceeded to punch my window, got his plate number. Okay. I'm turning right. Black Impala is turning left. Driver and passenger flip me off. Idiot's feelings are hurt, so he gets out of his car and yells about it. He noticed I'm still behind them, then flip me the bird again. I give it back. Let me tell you something here. Oh, it's a Garmin video. Garmin, save the video. Can't even hear what he's yelling. That's the smart thing to do, chat. Always have your window up. Wait, did he just say he's going to fuck him? He did the middle finger and then pointed at him. He's like, I'm going to fuck you. I'm going to fuck you. Just you wait. I'm going to fuck that ass. I'll see you in the parking lot. No way, dude. No way. Cops with fragile egos? No way. That's not real. There's no way.
Oh, you better have a good reason for cutting me off on that highway exit.
Cut you off?
Yes, sir.
I was actually going to a call.
Well, you didn't.
I was going to a call. Bullshit. Bullshit. Anytime cops break the fucking law, anytime they speed, anytime they cut someone off, anytime they blow a red light, oh, I was headed to a call. Yeah, those lights were off too.
Not have your lights on, and you cut over from the left lane.
I did.
And cut me off in the exit.
Call right before I moved over.
Okay, that's fine. If you had lights and sirens on, I would have made room. But you cut right over from the left lane.
Exactly the speed limit.
Also, if you had a call, why aren't you going to the call instead of dealing with this guy? Huh?
You were 4 car lengths behind me.
Huh?
I started moving over. So were you speeding?
Nope.
I don't know about that. You were speeding when you came up.
Oh my god, dude.
Time,
I hate this. Is pissing me off, man. This is pissing me off.
Go by. I never used my radar.
I got you on dash cam.
Okay, that's fine.
All right.
And it's ultimately what made him shut up, chat. This is why you need dash cam, all right? Everyone get a dash cam.
You flipped me off. I mean,
that's fine. That's First Amendment protected right.
Now, you're welcome to do it. I just wanted to make sure there wasn't an issue.
Nope, no issue.
Okay.
All righty.
All right. You have your license with you?
Sure do.
Why are you even pulling his license? For what?
Thank you, man.
Yep.
Appreciate it.
Mm-hmm.
Why did he even have to pull out his license? Wow. Pig should have a giveaway someday and prize should be a dash cam. Dude, yeah, honestly, I would. I would totally do that. Huh? Dude, the fucking train stopped. The train fully stopped. What is happening? Wow. They just went on their merry way. They're like, fuck it. I don't give a shit. I don't give a fuck, dude. Fuck your train. But it say the train was made up of only 2 engines and was able to stop quickly. I don't know. Hog Adam did nothing else, no gestures.
What are you looking at?
Oh wait, we saw this one. Wait, yeah, we did see this one. I remember this one. Yeah, because he like almost climbs out of the car.
You. Good for you. Good for you. What's wrong with you? What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you?
He's like a dog. He's like a dog hanging out the window. You know, like when dogs like they like fully put their body out. That's what it reminds me of right now.
What is wrong with you?
He's just feeling the breeze. Passenger proceeded to start hanging out the. Yeah, I. He's cosplaying as a dog for real. Started road raging for no reason. Dude, I feel like people just road rage just because they got nothing better to do. It's just fun for them. They're bored in their life. Got nothing. What the fuck? What happened? Did he hit him? Wait. I looked like that was a bump. Maybe he just hit a curb or something. Or hit a bump of the road. For what? But for what? Pig get mad? Grr. 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 So casual about it. Rar. 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 I think you're muted. Oh shit, am I? What is this music? All right, I missed that. Entitled Karen wants to be in front. Brake check, fail.
A lady in a wheelchair, like, trying to get up the hill, but she was literally, like, oh, fuck. You're a
Big truck moment. Big SUV moment.
you gotta move. You can reverse.
Dude, can we just, like, take SUVs off the road completely? Like, this is just giving me PTSD, because they're so high up, the headlights are just directly shining in your face.
Bro, what are they doing?
Oh, you gotta stay in your ground. Yeah, stay in your ground.
There you go.
That truck is so fucking big. Like,
He's
why?
way more
What's
sure than me.
what's even the point?
Take your time, dickhead. You asshole.
Oh, yeah.
Jesus Christ.
Car too big, very dangerous for pedestrians. Actually, pedestrian deaths has, like, skyrocketed in the past, like, 5 years. And it all has to do with SUVs. Gets behind me and starts tailgating me when he had ample opportunity to pass me. Is it because he's in the left lane? That's why there's 3 lanes. Brother, look at the Harley rider, bro.
They're gonna go in there.
Go in between. Go in between.
Don't. I do not believe if I was on the motorcycle, I would be threatening people in the automobile. Agreed. I don't know why he was, like, to be fair, I don't really know why he was laughing at him getting cut off. I don't really get why he was laughing at this. Like, that's awful. Like, if that car, like, did it a little bit later, like, that dude could be dead right now.
They're gonna go in there.
Go in between. Go in between.
Harley Davidson is my type of bike. Don't. They're unreliable, terrible motorcycles. Get an Indian or something.
They yell at him. Say, hey, I wouldn't road rage against a motorcycle.
No, just don't you dare.
Wait, I think I remember this. Or something similar to this. Yeah, kick it down. Yeah, kick your gears as hard as you can. Kick him down.
Do it.
Yeah, that's the most body movement this guy's ever done in his life.
My camera.
Like, what is he doing? He's... Like what? What? What is he doing? Like I don't understand what he's doing. I don't get it. What the fuck? Chat, that's what I do, by the way. That's what I do. If anyone pisses me off, I just start bouncing up and down on my motorcycle and just start revving the shit out of it.
You got advertising all over your truck. Well, he was right in front of you.
Dang, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that shit.
Where's my camera at? I think it's automatically recording. This is going to be on YouTube.
Is that a girl?
I don't know. This is going to be on YouTube.
Damn, dude. That guy is so cool. Holy shit.
Like, you just can't.
How did he do that?
I just want to move away from here.
Yo! That's not funny! Not funny, idiot!
They were laughing?
Bro, you stupid
What a dumbass.
Wow, what the fuck? Teenagers, most likely. Oh! Alright! Pickup truck moment. Kept going like nothing had happened. Luckily, he didn't hit me. Luckily, he didn't hit anybody else, too. Oh, okay. Why? Why?
Okay, Garmin, save video.
There it is. It's Garmin. It's Garmin. The ear-piercing Garmin. Ear-piercing Garmin. Okay, Garmin, save video. In the snow? Really? Really? While it's snowing? Really?
Get back in your car.
Oh man, I don't know why. I always find it hilarious when people get out of their car and then then the other person just drives away. It's always so hilarious. Carpenter brake checking me because I was speeding with him. Oh God. Truck moment. There's no deaths in this one? I know, chat. Unfortunately, no one dies in this one. That's good for YouTube, though. I decided to change lanes enough space. This dude behind me did not appreciate it, I guess.
You're on my dash camera! You're on my dash camera!
Jesus!
You're on my dash camera! I'll grab the cops on you! You're on my dash cam! You're on my dash cam!
Chat, I think he has a dash cam. I think he has a dash cam.
You're on the internet! So you! Keep going!
Widowy! Widowy on the You're widowy on the internet! You're widowy on the internet.
Piece of
That did run me off the road and hit me. Widowy. Truck moment. He sped up, laid on his horn, and flashed his brights, and then pulled this move. God. Cop. Do you not see the cop? No? Nothing? No?
What the hell?
What? Just an old veteran comes up. I just wanted to let you know, I appreciate your service. That's all I wanted to say. Have a nice day, sir. That's what he's doing. Just wanted to let you know, I backed the blue. I put that sticker on the back of my truck just so everyone knows that I backed the blue.
Can't believe you did that.
What is he doing?
He just, look at him, he's smiling. He just goes like, I just wanted to let you know I love cops. You guys are so cool. I love you guys. They just start making out.
What was he doing?
The cop just lets him go?
He crossed the road on a red light.
He just lets him go? Okay. That makes sense. That checks out. He wasn't an acorn. Damn, that guy's fucking cool. I wish I could be like that guy. He's kind of floating. And this waste of space, wait, clearly a sizable gap, and this waste of space tries and fails to speed up to not let me in. Why does it matter? Like, who cares? Why does it matter?
Okay, Garmin, save video. Okay, Garmin, save video. Okay, Garmin, save video.
Dude, another Garmin. We got another Garmin. Drone Lizard, thank you so much for the tier 1. I think I remember this one. Passing in the right lane. You're going to piss so many people off. Passing in the right lane. Oh, okay, wait. That's not even... What? That's not even you. Oh, this is a whole different situation. What the fuck? Bro got out just to kick the guy's car? Wow. I'm gonna buy a Garmin. I'm gonna buy a Garmin just so I could say, okay, Garmin, save video. Full of children illegally cut out of his dedicated bus lane. Checks out. Dude, bus drivers are scary, man. I don't trust them. I never trust them. And they're always, like, mean. They're always, like, aggressive, mean people.
Pull over, bro.
There's the occasional good one, but...
Idiot, bro.
Zero, press 5.
You saw that, right? Bro, I got a dash cam and he's not pulling over.
To reach an operator, press
Bus drivers
tried
yelling
that,
at
he cut
kids
her-
should be our next watch. Yeah. Dude, that is a genuine thing. Like, bus drivers are like, that's like when you get into the bus, that's a whole other world. It's a whole other universe. My bus driver was super nice. My kid's bus driver is always yelling. Yeah.
Look at this.
All right.
They're fighting. They're fighting.
They're fighting?
You don't see what they're doing?
No, I wasn't looking over there. I wasn't looking over there. I was looking down.
I'd win.
He did it. He threw a punch already
I'd win.
before.
What do you think, chat? You think I'd win? No? I mean, come on, chat. I think I'd win.
Now I'm stuck behind this guy. There's a guy.
X to doubt? Nah, I'd win. Doggo! Just let him in the car!
Is that dog yours? Is that dog yours?
Oh, they're ditching their dog? Dude, that's so sad. What the fuck? They're trying to leave their dog?
Yes, it's my dog, bro. If you don't want your dog...
My dog. Got out. We're getting our dog. That's why we're getting him. He got out of the house. At the end of the day, you following us is doing unnecessary. We already told you it's our dog, so stop worrying about it.
No, I'm not trying to... No, can I just say something? If you don't want your dog, I could bring him... Okay.
If you don't want your dog, who said we don't want him?
Talk to him. Fuck him. I'm not talking to him.
Dude, that's so sad, man. Just let him take the dog. So I figured out where the car is from and looking into it with the proper authorities.
Did you know?
Poor dog,
21.
Man.
A strawberry is not an actual berry, but a banana is.
Oh!
Hershey's chocolate syrup, Ritz crackers, Dum Dums, and Oreos are all vegan.
Okay. Someone say something. The car's on fire. Someone say something. Get out of the car. Oh, Jesus. Luckily, a fire station was down the street. No injuries. Oh, my God. That wasn't really a road rage moment. That was just scary. Ghost Rider.
Now it's time to walk away. I hope you enjoyed your stay. Did you laugh or cry or maybe subscribed? I'll thank you either way. You know I will miss you. I hope you return. Tell your friend or your mother to get me more views, please.